Hey everyone, in this video, we'll learn how to publish your Lovable app on the Google Play Store. Open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Log in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're inside, click on New Project. When you're done building, click the Preview button at the top right to test how your app looks and works. If everything works well, you're ready to turn this into an Android app. Next, go to median.co in your browser. Sign up and log in. On the dashboard, click New App. You'll be asked for your app's web URL. Paste the web link of your Lovable app. You can find this link by clicking Publish in Lovable and copying the share URL. Paste that into Median and click Start Building. Median will now generate a native Android build for your app. After that, download the APK or AIBB file. This is your Android app package that you'll upload to the Play Store. Now, open Google Play Console and sign in with your Google account. If this is your first time, you'll need to pay a one-time registration fee to become a Play Console developer. Once that's done, click Create App. Enter your app's details and submit it for review. Your app will now be submitted for review by Google. The review process usually takes a few hours to a few days. Once it's approved, your Lovable app will be live on the Play Store. That's it. Thanks for watching.